Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Photoshop. I am Felix Blaze. Today we are looking at 10 graphic design rules to never break. Okay, if you break this, I bet you your design will look very horrible. Okay, so I will talk about the first rule in this video, and in our coming videos I'll be talking about the 9 other rules. So if you don't want to miss these rules, make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is a practical explanation. First rule number 1 is consistency. So when we talk of consistency, we are much focusing on how your work communicate with the audience, okay, how your brand communicate with the audience. So the two major things I will talk in terms of consistency is your consistency with color, your consistency with font. Okay, so with the color, we have color combinations that you need to use whenever you are designing something. So as a graphic designer, okay, you should know these color combinations so that you don't pick any color and then blend with any other color that you like. You can go to Google and then search for color combination, then click on the image tab, and then you get a sample or list of color combinations over there. So I'm giving you these 5 color combinations. Try and use this in your design. Okay, so we have green and green, we have blue and pink, we have blue and red, we have blue and yellow, we have blue and lilac. So these are my 5 color combinations. If you have observed me closely on this platform, you see most of my design I usually go with blue and yellow or blue and red. So depending on your favorite color, then you look for the combination. Okay, the same thing applies to this. And whenever you were designing, you should not use more than 5 colors in your design. You can use more than 5, but you should never use that, because if you use more than 5, I bet you your color are not going to match. So look at this design, these two design very well. You can see that this design I use 3 colors in all. With this one I use more than 3. As you can see, I use more than 3, even getting to 5. Okay, and it's quite not bad, but the color is not moving with the image. You get a principle here. So the rule says our color should move together. This color should go with your image. Okay, so if I'm designing something like this, look at this one very well. You see the color here is red and then the shirt is red. Okay, it doesn't mean you should always use that, but this attire is red here, so you can look out for color which move with red. So when I come to my color palette, you see we have this red going together with blue, so we can change this color to blue and they will still move together. You get my point here. And look at this point here, the shirt is gray, and look at this ellipse here, it is gray. This one too is gray, this one too is gray. So this move together with this. It means I have to design something that will communicate with it. Okay, so this design is quite simple, but if you mix the color up like this, it will look quite not bad but bad. Okay, I don't want to say bad, but it's bad. Okay, so make sure you avoid using too many colors in your design. That is what I want to say. At most 5, at most 5, or if you want to be simple like me, I usually use not more than 3 colors, not more than 3. Okay, so make sure you stick to that principle. And another rule you should never break in terms of consistency is the font. Your font speaks a lot. Most of you just pick up any font and then use on your design. Please, we don't do that in terms of graphic design. So that you have broken the rules and you need to be arrested for that. Yes, you need to be arrested. So what you need to do right now in terms of font is that make sure you stick to not more than 3 fonts, not more than. Look at this design, I use only 2 fonts, this font and this font. That's the font I use throughout the design. Okay, But look at this particular design. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fonts. Very bad. You get that? So make sure you stick to. Someone will say, oh, this one we have a lot of star font, and very good, you can get all these star fonts, but make sure you stick to one, whether you go by this font or you go by this font. So you stick with 3 fonts, okay? Don't go more than 3 fonts, okay? That is the rules you should do here. Since it's the first rule you should note as a graphic designer. When you break this rule, your design is going to look bad. So make sure you stick to what I've explained so far, your color and your fonts. We will move together and learn more later. But I don't want you to miss this. So all that you can do is to just subscribe to this channel and wait, because I'm going to upload them very soon on this channel. I am your tutor, Felix Blaze. Bye bye.